This is a question from IPMAT Indore exam 2023 QA section. So here we have a polynomial px which leaves remainder 2 when divided by x minus 1 and remainder 1 when divided by x minus 2. So we need to find the remainder when the same polynomial px is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2 multiplied. So initially we are dividing the number with two different numbers and then we divide the same number with the product of the two numbers. So we will start with assuming px. So because we divide with x minus 1, x minus 2 and their product, so we can assume px as some multiple of x minus 1 and x minus 2 plus the remaining part, and that remaining part can be assumed to be linear, and let us say it will be bx plus c. So why did I assume it to be linear? Because when we will divide a polynomial with x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is x square minus 3x plus 2. So when we divide a polynomial with a quadratic expression, the remainder can be a linear expression or a constant, right? So that is why we have assumed the unknown part as bx plus c. So we will have to find the values of b and c only. That's what we need to know. So that is our polynomial. Now the given information says when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1, we get remainder 2. That means if I put x equal to 1, px should give me a value of p1 should be equal to 2. That is the remainder. So this is from remainder theorem. Those who don't understand this, they will have to revise remainder theorem. So I will directly use the remainder theorem here. So P1, that will be, this part will become 0 when I put x equal to 1. So 0 plus b plus c, and that should be equal to 2 as P1 is 2. So that is my equation 1. And similarly, when I put x equal to 2, then P2 that will be equal to 1. So when I put x equal to 2, in that case, the remainder is 1. So P2 is, again, when I put x equal to 2 in px, this part will be 0. So it will be 0 plus 2b plus c, and that should be 1. So this is equation 2. So now we have to solve only equation 1 and 2. So 2b plus c is 1, b plus c is 2. We can solve them by taking the difference. So b is minus 1. And if b is minus 1, c is 3. So that is what we get. So in place of b and c, I can replace minus 1 and 3. So px becomes a times x minus 1, x minus 2, minus x plus 3. So when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2, the remainder will be minus x plus 3. So that will be the answer. So it will be option C, minus x plus 3 or 3 minus x.